right, check this out. This is my Instagram and these are my Instagram reels, but look at these numbers. Looks like I'm making money from my Instagram reels. So what is this brand new Instagram monetization feature that I just got access to on one of my Instagram accounts? We're going to talk about all of this in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, this brand new Instagram monetization feature, it's right here, ads on reels. And this is Instagram reels, not Facebook reels. So ads on reels have been there for a while for Facebook, but it just arrived for one of my Instagram accounts, and looks like they're gonna roll this out to more and more people. So if you create content on Instagram, stay tuned, because this is coming. You will be able to make money from your reels that you post on. This is kind of similar to the Reels Play bonus program, which has ended. So ads on reel is similar to ads on reel on Facebook. So here's what happened. I took a bunch of screenshots and videos. I want to show you everything. So let me access my photos, and here's a screenshot. So look at this. The first thing I noticed was this screenshot I took on desktop. So what's really interesting is I did not see any notification, any pop-up, anything, nothing on my mobile Instagram. I saw this notification or pop-up on my desktop Instagram. So that's the first thing you gotta watch out for. And it said now you can earn with ads on reels. Ads can now appear on your reels and you are invited to start making money. So it was an invitation. So I did not apply. Looks like it's an invitation program like Reels Play bonus. So after I saw this, obviously I went to my Instagram. So let me bring up my Instagram, because when I got access to Reels Play bonus program, there was a big pop-up on my Instagram, on the top of my Instagram. This time for ads on reels, nothing. The second place I checked, I went inside my professional dashboard and then scroll down, and there's a section called your tools. You see there's a bonus section. When I had access to, looks like I had access to 15 bonuses, so that means 15 months I had access to that program, but it's closed now. It's no more. The Instagram has closed that a while ago. But this is where I saw that pop up. But for ads on reels, nothing. So I didn't see anything on my profile. I didn't see anything inside my professional dashboard. So here's the next thing I checked, and I want to show you everything. So just in case you want to go check on your Instagram account, maybe you have invitation too, because there was no pop-up, no message from Instagram on my account. So the next thing I did was I went to my settings, and then I went to business tools and controls, and then boom, look at this, ads on reels right here. So this was a new addition, new menu, and when I clicked on this, so right now it's set up and looks like the monetization with ads on reel is turned on for me. But when it wasn't set up, I had a message that said your account is invited into this program. So I want to show you that. So let me go back and bring up one of the videos that I recorded, or screen recording. So here's what I did. Let me make sure you can see everything, and I want to play this for you. So I went to the settings area, business tools, ads on reels, boom, and this is what I saw. You're invited to earn money with the ads on reels, and then it's gonna give a quick demo. And the way it's gonna display ads here. So here's an ad. Let me play this a little bit more. Actually, didn't show this, but on your reel there's a small ad, and it's similar to the ads on reel on Facebook. And for those ads, you're getting paid. So the next thing I did, I clicked on getting started, and this is basically your account setup and basic information. It's gonna ask for your business information. So if you have a business, LLC, C Corp, S Corp, or maybe your individual sole business, enter the information. Very simple steps. And the next thing it did, how do you want to get paid? So this is your payout information. And I believe I picked PayPal, but you can also add your bank information or anywhere where you want to get payments. And then that's it. It was really, really simple. I was able to set up in probably 30 seconds, 40 seconds, less than a minute. And now let me go back to Instagram and show you. So I'm back onto the ads on reels section, and it's the monetization is turned on. So make sure if you get access and when you set this up, make sure you turn this on. Payout is where all the information about the payout account. And then when you go inside insights and then approximate earnings, this is where you're gonna see all the money. So far I've made $1.76, not a lot, but it just started. And then here's the approximate earnings, $1.76, and here are the top reels. So this reel made 48 cents, 16 cents, 16 cents. So it just started, so hopefully it will make more money. By the way, I also got access to TikTok creativity beta program. So look, that's the new program. That's the way you make money from TikTok, from your content, and looks like ads on reels are also coming on Instagram. If you want me to do comparison of both program, the RPMs, and let me know, because I have access to both, so I can do a comparison video and see where you can actually make more money. Now, here is something else I want to show you. So on the ads on reel program, you can click on see how it works, and then it explains how this program actually works. So let's talk about this. Let's actually review this together. So it's being given to eligible creators a way to make money. That's fine, we all know that. Instagram will place ads optimizing for viewers experience, and then the ads will be shown at the bottom of your reels as a single static banner. That's how they are on Facebook Reels as well. Now for payouts, again, notice there isn't any mention of eligibility. So who's eligible, who's not? Looks like it's going to be invitation only. There's a note here, ads on reels are currently being tested and it's available to select creators at this time. So again, you may not see any pop-up, you may not have any notification, but still go to your settings and go inside the business and see if that pop-up is there, because I did not see anything on my mobile. I did have a pop-up on my desktop, but what if I wasn't looking on my desktop? Or who knows, maybe I had access to this for weeks and I didn't know. And then some more information about the payout. By the way, here are different reels that are not eligible to get paid with this program, ads on reels. For example, if you use licensed music, if you have a branded content, if your reels is boosted. So here are reel is not advertiser friendly, your reel is permanently deleted. So that's just basic information. And then you're able to, in your professional dashboard, in the inside the ads on reels again. So here's really interesting: track your earnings and see upcoming payouts in professional dashboard and ads on reels. But when I go to my professional dashboard, there's nothing. So I'm gonna go back to, here's my professional dashboard. So it looks like right now it's not here, but let's see if I click on see all, maybe I'll have access to. No, so I don't have access to ads on reels section right now. So maybe they're gonna add that soon. Maybe it's coming really soon, but I'm excited. I think anyone who creates content on Instagram should be excited for this new feature. Might as well get paid for the content, the reels that we're creating. Even though like bonuses, I don't think the payout are gonna be huge. I don't think it's gonna be the amount that you can rely on to pay for rent, but it's gonna be something. And like I said, if you want me to do comparison of the money you can make from TikTok creativity beta versus, let's say, YouTube Shorts versus Facebook Reels Pro ads or Instagram Reels ads, I can do that comparison because I have access to all of those programs on different accounts. So let me know in the comments, and I can create more videos and do some comparison and let you know which one is better if you want to make more money. All right, any questions? Let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.